everyone, hello my money friends, welcome back to the channel. Dunk here from Dunk's Money. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much for subscribing. I really appreciate the support, and thank you for all the liking and commenting on my previous videos. If you are new to the channel, I'm Dunk. I'm from Scotland. I'm an entrepreneur and then I'm an investor. I'm really interested in finance, and this is my YouTube channel where I will share stocks and shares sorts of tips, financial issues and other sort of money matters. I'll be posting videos here, so make sure to subscribe so that you get all my latest videos, and I hope that you will enjoy them. I started off in the world of finance about five years ago or so, and I understand that it can be quite confusing at first, but don't worry, you will get there. Keep watching the videos and watch other folk as well, and you'll learn lots more about finance. I hope you enjoy. Hello YouTube pals, hello friends, welcome back to another episode here on Dunk's Money with me, Dunk, your host for today. So today we are going to speak about the Vanguard FTSE Developed Europe ETF. As usual guys, with these ETFs there's lots of words. An ETF, exchange traded fund, for those of you who are new to it, an exchange traded fund basically is a fund which tries to replicate the index for which the fund is trying to mirror. So in this case it's the FTSE Developed Europe Index, and the fund will try and replicate the index as best as it can. So it's a passive fund whereby they'll buy, for this fund they buy a mix of large and mid-sized companies within developed Europe, so UK, Italy, sort of developed European countries, and the fund aims to buy stocks within developed Europe. So this fund is rated, risk level is rated 6 out of 7, 7 being highest risk and 1 being lowest risk. And as we know guys, high risk usually means high reward, but it's a higher risk, and then obviously low risk, low reward, and it's whatever suits you and you're comfortable with. For me, I'm happy to go for this at 6 out of 7. I tend to go high risk all the time. That's the way I look at it, go big or go home. For me, maybe not for you, but for me that's the way I look at it. And just some information, Vanguard are a really, really big American investment company that manage trillions and trillions of assets, so they're very, very large, and this is their fund. So a bit of info about the fund, and excuse me for reading my notes, I want to make sure everything is accurate for you all. So this fund, the price to earnings ratio is 15.5, which for me is quite nice and low, and the earnings growth rate 8.6%, so quite happy with that. Just bear in mind with this fund as well guys that your dividends within this fund are paid to you quarterly, so any dividends that you'll receive, you'll get them quarterly with this fund. And there's currently, the fund holds 611 stocks, and the total fund is worth 1.9 billion euros, so it's a very, very large fund. So without any further ado, what we'll do is we will jump into the app. You can watch me buying units within this fund. Bear in mind guys, with a fund you buy a share of the fund, a unit in the fund, not the shares themselves. Obviously the higher the value of the fund, the more expensive the units are. So let's jump in the app. You can watch me real time buying units within the Vanguard FTSE Developed Europe ETF. Hello everyone, welcome back into the Trading 212 app here today with me, Dunk, from Dunk's Money. 26th of May 2020, and as part of my diversification strategy for my portfolio, today I'm going to be buying into the Vanguard FTSE Developed Europe ETF. So this is an ETF a fund offered by Vanguard, which basically tracks sort of large companies, company shares, large and mid-sized company shares, in developed markets in Europe, but excludes the UK. If we have a quick look at instrument details, so it's listed on the London Stock Exchange, so it's Europe only. Right, so have a quick look at the chart here guys. You'll have a look. So if you have a look, this is February, as with everything that we've looked at, massive drop after February with lockdown. But after February it dropped to £20, and now it's back up at 24, so it is climbing a wee bit now. And I quite like ETFs just for the diversification, the fact that it's it's tracking a large spread as opposed to an individual stock or shares. So I am going to buy today about £600 worth of units. So we'll see what we can get. 582, right, I'll go for that, so we'll be able to get exactly 600, so that's 24 units, £582. I'm happy to leave this to sit and just to see what happens with it. So we'll send the buy order. That should come through pretty quick. Yeah, £24, 29. So no, pretty happy with that. So let's leave that and we'll see what happens with it. So as you saw there, everybody, on the 26th of May 2020, I bought 24 units, £24 each, roughly, coming to a total of £597 was my investment into the Vanguard FTSE Developed Europe ETF. Bit of information for you guys. So on the 19th of February 2020, that's with everything I'm looking at, the big cliff, 19th of Feb 2020, they were at the fund, a unit in the fund was worth £28, and then by March 2020 it dropped to £20, and that's what I should have bought in, but I didn't. But I'm quite happy with my £24. So I'll leave that, and we'll leave it to sit, and we'll see what happens. And if you watch, guys, my video of my portfolio review, you will see the latest up-to-date figures for that fund, and I'm actually up, which is great. I love being on the up, as we all do. But no, I'm quite happy to have invested into that fund. If you've invested in the fund, comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think of the video, guys. It's always good for me to know that I'm giving you the right videos here and the right content. And if I am, if you can hit like so that I know that I'm bringing you the right sort of information that you want, that would be great. And as always, if you're new to the channel, remember to hit subscribe so you'll get all my videos as they come out, and you can follow me in my investment journey. I think these videos are a really good way of you seeing what I'm doing, and if I bring out further videos of the same fund, you'll see how it's going and what my decisions are, etc., and how I come to my decisions. So no, I hope you're enjoying it, guys. Remember, as always, stay safe during coronavirus and enjoy trading. And thank you for watching the video. I really do appreciate you taking the time to watch this. So I really hope you enjoyed that video there. Thank you very much for watching. Please comment below and tell me what you think. If you like this video, please make sure to like it, and please remember to hit subscribe and you'll get all my latest videos. All the best, guys. I'm Dunk and I love money, so should you.